we are going to talk about 5 ChatGPT copywriting prompts where we will be utilizing copywriting frameworks. And the best part of this, you do not need to be a professional copywriter or have any sort of writing skills whatsoever. So let's dive right into it. Before we talk about this though, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give us a like, hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all the new videos which are coming out in the future. All right, so here we are in the backend of ChatGPT. Let's paste the first prompt, which is picture, promise, proof, push. Is a copywriting framework copywriter use in order to create convincing copy. So all we got to do is tell ChatGPT to create an email marketing campaign utilizing this particular framework. So let's do it and see what comes out. Create an email marketing campaign using the picture, promise, proof framework to capture the attention of our dear customer, of coaches and course creators, and generate interest in our service, which is in our CRM, which is called Coach Marketing Hub, the all-in-one marketing platform coaches need to succeed online and save a ton of money and time. Highlighting how our product fulfills its promises, include customer testimonials to support those claims, and include a call to action to encourage readers to take action. All right, obviously you could give more information about your products to pre-frame before we put in the actual prompt. Okay, so pre-framing the bot about your products and about your brand is very beneficial for you in order to get higher quality outcome. This is not what we're doing in this video. In this video, we are just simply sharing 5 email prompts using popular copywriting frameworks so that you can send more emails, which make you more money. So let's hit enter. Amazing. So now it comes already up with a subject line, discover the all-in-one marketing platform coaches need to succeed online. Okay, so the picture, promise, and proof. Here are the 4 steps. Picture, imagine all of your marketing efforts are streamlined and organized in one place. A world where you can save time and money and focus on what you do best, helping your clients achieve their goals. Amazing. The promise, that's exactly what Coach Marketing Hub offers. Our CRM is designed specifically for coaches and course creators and is packed with features that will help you grow your business and increase your revenue. Promise, right? So how do we prove this? Don't take our word for it. Here's what our customers are saying. So then it comes up with testimonials, which you obviously should replace with real testimonials. We do not want to mislead people anywhere and invent random reviews. So just take this out and replace those with real reviews. And then lastly, the push. Don't miss out on this opportunity to take your coaching business to the next level. It's basically the call to action, right? The push, they call it. Try Coach Marketing Hub today and see the results for yourself. And by the way, shameless plug, if you want to try this out, click the link in the description below, get your 2 weeks free trial and replace all the different apps on the internet out there like Kajabi, ConvertKit, MailChimp, SiteGround, Vimeo, First Promoter, and many, many more. And again, as the ChatGPT already told you, save a ton of money and time. Now, let's continue. Nice, it even added a PS down here as a special offer. For our new users, we are giving 10% of the first month of subscription. Great. Now, before we dive into email number 2, we can create with framework number 2. I just wanted to let you know that we use the same chat we've just opened because now we already pre-framed the bot a little bit and the bot already knows a little bit about our platform so that it can take the already produced information and create better quality content further down the line. Okay, create an email marketing campaign using the Star Story solution. The Star Story solution is another framework, right? To introduce the main character of a story. So we share the story here. The main character introduce Robyn, who signed 7 new clients. That's a story, right? Who signed 7 new clients first time launching her course following our unique framework. Obviously, it's a true story and I want the bot to write about this. That relates to our coaching and marketing services as well as to the CRM mentioned above. Keep the reader engaged by providing a compelling story that showcases the main character's struggles and challenges. Conclude the story by highlighting how our product helped the main character to overcome the obstacles and achieve their desired outcome. Okay, use this narrative to showcase the benefits of our product and encourage readers to take. I think I should feed the bot with a little bit more information on the struggles, what kind of struggles my client had. Okay, so here mentioned above. Keep the readers engaged. So here, this character, comma, Robyn, she never launched before. She didn't have an existing email list nor any social media followers and wasn't very confident about the entire journey. After she had this kind of success, her confidence skyrocketed and she now knows she has a proven, can I write English? Proven product that people actually want and get them results. That's enough for now. Hit enter. Pretty big prompt, but you know, the more information you give to ChatGPT, the higher quality output you will receive back. Okay, let's see what comes out. Introducing Robyn, a story of overcoming doubts and launching a successful course. The star in this, okay, so the framework was called Star Story Solution, right? So the star, meet Robyn, a coach and course creator who, like many of us, had doubts about her abilities and the potential success of her course. The story, Robyn had never launched a course, you know, the data I just typed in, it just wrote it out a lot nicer. That's when she found our coaching and marketing services, you know, hit the wall, she found the light, she overcome her doubts and fears, and then there's a solution, right? What other people should do. And now if you don't like it, you can say add more humor and make it funny. I like to do this. This is one of my favorite prompts. If you can tell, if you watched some of the other videos I make, add more humor and make it funny. Enter. So now it rewrites the whole email and adds humor to it, makes it sound funny because I want my people to laugh while they read the email. Okay, so then obviously you go back later and remove Star Story Solution and then just copy and paste that email and then send it off. Amazing. Email number 3, framework number 3, awareness, comprehension, conviction, action framework. Don't worry, you can find all of these prompts in the description box below as well. All right, so let's paste that one. Create an email marketing campaign using awareness, comprehension, conviction, action framework to address the problem of tech overwhelm faced by our client Sabine and help them understand it. Build conviction in the reader to use our product service, our all-in-one marketing platform CRM called Coach Marketing Hub as the solution and take action. Start by raising awareness of the situation, then provide a comprehensive understanding of the problem and how our product can help solve it. Conclude by creating conviction in the reader and take action and use our product. Okay, so hit enter. So again, the more information you pre-framed the bot prior, the better the quality of the output will be. Email, subject line, tackling tech overwhelm with Coach Marketing Hub, because tech overwhelm is one of the biggest problems people have in our industry, right? The awareness. Are you feeling overwhelmed by the constant flood of new technologies and tools in the online coaching and marketing space? You're not alone. Sabine, just like many other coaches, was struggling with this issue too. Now you bring in that story, right? Comprehension. What happened here? Sabine found herself constantly trying to keep up with the latest tools and technologies, but it was difficult to know which one truly necessary for her, blah, blah, blah. So you can see it wrote out in the framework, awareness, comprehension, conviction, action, okay? Amazing. You can just remove those words and then you have the perfectly grafted email here, which you can just copy and paste into your email service provider. Maybe you want to try out Coach Marketing Hub as your next email service provider and hit send. You can also give additional prompts like the goal of this email should be to increase conversion rate. Add urgency, scarcity to the mix, okay? To the mix, hit enter and then it redoes the whole thing, doing what I just said, okay? So ChatGPT prompt number 4 and framework number 4, the 5 basic objections. Alrighty on. So craft an email campaign utilizing the 5 basic objections framework to address refute typical objections of a coach, including limited time, budget constraints, doubts on productive effectiveness, lack of trust in the company and product, and perceived lack of need. So if you didn't know, these are actually the 5 most common objections everyone is facing. Incorporate key points such as what is the unique selling point, such as we replace all the other online subscriptions people are currently paying for and therefore they save a ton of moolah, and call to action, desired action, and make them sign up for the free trial. Hit enter and it does the whole thing, which is amazing. So now it writes out the 5 objections, right? Limited time. A coach thinks they have limited time and therefore they can't use the tool, for example, right? So we understand that as a coach, your time is precious. You understand people, obviously, right? That's why Coach Marketing Hub is designed to save you time by streamlining all the marketing needs in one place. With our all-in-one platform, you can say bye-bye to juggling multiple subscription and tools of Coach Marketing Hub. You can focus on coaching, not marketing. Amazing. Then it talks about objection number 2, the budget constraints. Objection number 3, doubts in product effectiveness. Objection number 4, the lack of trust in the company, right? It rewrites the whole thing. If you like it, great. Keep it, copy and paste it into your CRM, into your email service provider, hopefully Coach Marketing Hub. Or if you don't like it, just give it another prompt and say, make it longer, make it shorter, add more humor, make it more serious, whatever, make it sound like Queen Elizabeth, whatever you want to add here, right? You can say that. And lastly, framework number 5, the 4 C's. Before I get into the 4 C's, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with the new videos which are coming out in the future. Okie dokes. So let's talk about the 4 C's. Copy and paste it. Develop an email marketing campaign using the 4 C's framework to create clear, concise, compelling, and credible copy for coaches. Utilize this checklist to ensure that our message is effectively communicated and persuades the reader to take action. Incorporate key points such as unique selling point, such as we replace all tools on the internet with one, and call to action, and make them sign up for the free trial again. Okay, so that's it. Hit enter, and again it comes up with another email, which is the 4 C's, which is clear, concise, compelling, and credible. Okay, so now it writes out addressed to coaches, because these are my ICAs, what I've just told the bot to do. Hey, I want you to speak to coaches, and write a really nicely crafted email, which with the objection to get people to sign up for a free trial. I hope you find use out of this video. Let me know what kind of prompts you've tried already. Let me know in the comments below, and please watch this YouTube video because YouTube thinks that's best for you.